I have grown countless theme pages online across platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and these are the 5 best AI tools that have helped me save hours of my time in literally seconds of typing and prompts. The first AI tool on this list is Leonardo.ai. This picture creation AI tool is one of the best online, like Midjourney, except this one is absolutely free. All you have to do on the left side here is come to image generation in the AI tools section. You literally can type in any prompt you want up here and it's going to create images in seconds. As you can see here, I recently typed in a teal luxury Lamborghini and these are the pictures it created for me. But one of the best things you could use Leonardo.ai for is creating brand logos. A lot of you guys know my theme page, WealthVission. So to create a brand logo for your theme page, all you need to do is come to Leonardo.ai and type in create me an Instagram logo with the letters WV or whatever letters that you want that only uses the colors teal and black. And on the right side here, I'm just going to hit generate. So this is what Leonardo generated for me, and honestly I don't really like it that much. So if you get an image or images that you really don't like, then just go back to the description and be a little bit more specific. So I just added in, make sure you can clearly see the letters WV, and underneath the letters type in WealthVission and then just hit generate again. Now the images that Leonardo created for me are a lot better than the original ones that I asked for, and honestly this one over here almost looks a lot like the logo that I have right now. So if you don't like what they originally created for, then just go in the prompt and just type a little bit more specifically what you're looking for. Just to show you guys how crazy this AI tool is, I literally typed in Elon Musk on Mars cooking burgers on a grill. Like I said, you could type in anything and it's going to generate you an image. So just take a look at this. This is honestly pretty cool too, because I literally have Elon Musk on Mars cooking burgers on a grill. So anything you can imagine, just type in and you're gonna get images for it. This is honestly really great for B-roll footage in your videos as well. You guys can use it. The second AI tool that I'm going to be showing you guys is called Video.ai. If you're looking to break down long form content like a podcast video of David Goggins into short clips, and this is the only AI tool that you need. All you need to do is go on YouTube and just find any video that you want to break down into short clips. Once you find a video that you like, all you're going to need to do is go and copy the URL to the YouTube video. With the URL, you're going to go into Video.ai, hit new project, and where it says enter YouTube link, you're just going to paste the link in there and hit import video, and then you're just going to hit generate clips. Once the video is done uploading, all you have to do is click on it, and then you're going to see that this AI tool has generated 5 short form clips from that long form video. Now with 5 short form clips that it has created, you can click any single one. I'm going to click the first one and just go and hit edit. This tool has a lot of great editing styles for it. For example, you can go to templates and you could choose different templates that you might like on your video and just pick whichever one that you like. You can also go to the subtitles. There's a lot of different text effects like block effects or background effects that you can add. Even subtitles, there are different styles that you can go in and edit on the video to whichever style that you like. You can also go in and add your own text like an overall title for the video, and there are different text effects for that as well. So overall, this AI tool is great for taking long form content and chopping it down to little short form clips. And this was a 10-minute YouTube video that I took and I generated 5 clips from it. But let's say you get like a 60-minute YouTube video, it could generate like 30 or 40 clips for you, and you're literally gonna have content for the next month to post. AI tool number 3 is ChatGPT. Now, this is an obvious one, but I had to throw it in this video because you're gonna see how you can use ChatGPT along other AI tools that I'm gonna show you later. Now, yes, ChatGPT is used to answer questions, and I know a lot of you just use it to answer homework questions so you just get the right answer, but there is a lot more that this tool can be used for. A major hack that you need to utilize ChatGPT is for finding viral content ideas for your theme page or any content that you want to post to get viral ideas. So, for example, I'm just going to type in, write me 5 motivational sentences about starting a business and pushing through hard times to make money. I'm just going to hit enter, and you're going to see that ChatGPT is going to do all the work. Now, the point of this is to get current trending viral ideas, and I only typed in 5 motivational sentences and it gave me some good ones like hard times are the forge in which entrepreneurs are made, resilience and determination will transform struggles into profits. But to be honest, you should honestly go and type in like 50 or 100 sentences, because if you have 100 different sentences, just go through them and find the one that is going to be the best one, because there's going to be 100 different ideas that you probably didn't even think of. Like I mentioned earlier, ChatGPT needs to be utilized with other AI tools like this next one that I'm going to show you. AI tool number 4 is 11 Labs.
So I'm guessing you've probably seen videos using this voice.
Well, that voice you just heard is called Adam, and it's one of the many trending voices that people are using on 11 Labs. So now, this is where you can utilize ChatGPT with 11 Labs. You just have to go back to those 5 sentences that it created for you. I'm just going to pick the one that I read earlier, the hard times one, and literally all you have to do is copy and paste this into 11 Labs. If I come back to 11 Labs, all I'm going to do is paste this quote in, and I'm going to hit Generate Speech. Once it's done, we can now take a listen to what it sounds like.
Hard times are the forge in which entrepreneurs are made. Your resilience and determination will transform struggles into profits.
Like I said, Adam is one of the many voices that you can use on 11 Labs, so you can honestly just go take a look at all the voices and see which ones you like the best. And honestly, this tool is best for people that don't like hearing their own voices because you can let the AI just do the voiceover for you, so you never actually have to speak into the microphone. One of the best things about this is that these voiceovers are very clean and easy to listen to and understand. So a lot of times when people use voiceovers, they may talk too fast or it might just not be very clear. So this is why 11 Labs is great. AI tool number 5 is InVideo.ai. This is literally one of the best AI tools that I've ever seen because it literally creates videos with text prompts for you. So this AI is going to literally create the video for you. All you have to do is type in a text prompt. In InVideo, the prompt that I'm going to be typing is create me a 30-second motivational video that has to do with succeeding in life with an online business. So just type in your prompt and then hit generate a video. It's then going to ask you some questions, so I'm just going to put my audience for entrepreneurs, my look and feel to make it inspirational, and for platform, I'm just going to put YouTube Shorts as this is only a 30-second video, then hit continue. After waiting, InVideo will have given me a 37-second long video, and I can just go and hit edit, and I will be able to see the entire script for the video, all created by AI with voiceovers and B-roll footage. And if you don't like the B-roll footage that it gives you for the certain script, you can go in and upload your own media to be consistent with the script that it's going on. But usually InVideo is pretty good with the stock footage, the B-roll footage that it gives you, as it kind of goes along with the script. So honestly, you just go through the video and see what you like, what you don't like, and you can honestly just go back and type in a different prompt if you want something different than what it has given you. But this is all created by AI within seconds. The one thing about InVideo is that if you go to download it, you will have watermarks on the video as they are using iStock footages for the B-roll. So this is something if you actually want to utilize to create videos for you, then I would honestly recommend just upgrading because this creates videos for you in seconds. And if this is the route you want to go for videos, then it's honestly just worth your money to upgrade to a paid program. For all 5 of these AI tools, I'll be leaving links to them in the description of this video. So make sure you utilize them because they will be saving you hours upon hours of work. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I have also created personal brands on those platforms as well. Once again, I'll be leaving the links in the description for that. I also have a free Discord server for you guys to join in and ask questions about anything. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you in the next one.